Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Realme C25Y without the pin code. If you've forgotten the pin code or your phone is locked, you can reset everything and remove the pin via this method. It will also delete all your photos, apps, everything, and it will be like it was when it came out of the box. But if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and do that without further ado. It's quite simple. You're going to start by pressing simultaneously the power button and the volume down button with the phone turned off. The phone should be turned off. You press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. And then as soon as it vibrates like it's turning on, you can let go of the power button but continue to hold the volume down button. And then you'll see a little gear with a no command show up on the screen. And at that point, you're going to press and hold, you're going to press the power button and the volume up button, and that will take it into the recovery mode. And from there, we can use the volume up and down button to toggle through this menu. And we want to toggle over to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Hit the power button to select it, and then it will open this menu. And with the Factory Data Reset, we will toggle to Highlight Factory Data Reset. And once you hit the power button, it will wipe everything off your phone. So once you're ready, if you go ahead and do that, it'll take it a minute to go through that and do the whole wiping. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and reboot your phone, and it will be like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.